Hello, hello. Good evening. We're back again. This time, actually, we are doing actually is the Mansanitas, but this like reptiles also in Tagalog, but in our language actually we call this Mansanitas. See this? So I got like ripe, really ripe, you know. But there's a lot of name for this because I think it will grow whenever it's like the tropical country. You know, if you have like tropical country and then you have this, and you know what I'm talking about. This one they call also is like Jamaican berry, I think. In English also they call us a what is it, like a cotton candy berry or something. So there's a lot of name for this too, but in our language actually, because this what I grew up with also. I remember with this when I was like really young, you know, maybe 7 years old. I always climb up and pick this up, you know, and my mom's always says like, no, 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 don't eat that because this is like too early and you eat this. But now we came to know about the benefits actually with these fruits. Actually, it's really good for if you have like high blood pressure. They can help like, you know, control all these things. The same as if you have a diabetic also, this is good for you, you know. So there's a lot of health benefits for this. So check this out, you know, check this out. And I think if you are living in the tropical country, you have these kinds of fruit. It's there's the one. It is okay. This is the first time actually no, this is not the first time. The last time I made these different things, but that is not really ripe, and this time it's like really good ripe. So anyway, this is like vodka based cocktail. I got the below 42 actually. This like New Zealand vodka. I remember this one when I used to work in 360-degree bar in Dubai. The first time that they launched this vodka in 2004, I think, or 2005. These are well vodka in the previous bar that I worked a long time ago. So, but and this one too, I remember this when they just start. The same as this vodka, the below 42, and then the Ciroc Vodka. This word they launched in our bar, so I know very well about all this vodka. So that's why I try to use this vodka now. So I'm gonna use the Ciroc actually. This one's like still unopened, so soon we're gonna use that too. All right, cool. So this like model, I have the calamansi also. I think in Spanish call this limoncito. Like tastes like key lime pie. It's really sour, you know. So see. All right, let me remove the seeds before I muddle it along with the Mansanitas or the reptiles. So this can be the Mansanitas Martini. That's the first time you're gonna hear those Mansanitas Martini, right? This is gonna be fun. See, my dog start barking right now, and I love it. I love it. By the way, it's this time is like May 5. It's Cinco de Mayo. Well, happy Cinco de Mayo to all my friends, like the Mexican friends or the Spanish friend. So happy Cinco de Mayo. Don't forget your margarita on the rocks or straight up or frozen. Enjoy it, enjoy it. It's your day, man. Enjoy it. And I have this, the dried lemon. This sun-dried lemon actually. So it's good. This is gonna be our garnish. So I have the so let me put this first. 4 slices of those, just 2 calamansi actually, but it's 4 slices. So let me put about a handful of these Mansanitas. See, are we saying that? All right, let me muddle it first. See, the juice is really juicy actually, it's really good. And this one also, you can double strain if you want, you know, but my other strainer is not really good, so just not double it. Okay. Smells really good, you know, the combination of the calamansi and they get the Mansanitas or Aratilis. This is the first time you're gonna hear this Aratilis Martini, right? So, well, there's a lot of Martini in the world, you know. So about a jigger of the this is the honey calamansi actually syrup. So it's about jigger, and then Ciroc Vodka. So 2 jigger of this. Now let me get my ice and my martini glass. See, my martini glass really frosty, right? Nice and frosty. So about a scoop of ice again. That's it. So this is your Mansanitas Martini. Strain it. You can double strain, that's what I'm saying. If you have like another strainer, you can double it. See the color, the texture is really good. Alright, and put the garnish on top. Voila. And if you can put this, I don't know if they will not drop down. So let me try. If not, then just remove it. Here we go. This is your Aratilis Martini. Please, again, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button so that you guys, like every time that I have new videos, like you guys updated whenever happenings, you know. And please, I got the Instagram and I got the Facebook page also. You can share it, and thank you so much. Have a good night. Happy Cinco de Mayo and enjoy, guys. Oh, it's